In this video, you'll learn how to explain concepts using Kimi AI. This guide will take you through the steps necessary to effectively utilize the platform for generating explanations on various topics. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface featuring the Kimi AI branding and options for starting new chats. Take a moment to ensure that you are on the correct page before proceeding. Next, locate the prompt area within the interface. This section is typically found prominently on the screen, inviting you to enter your queries or instructions. Click on this area to activate it, which will allow you to input your desired text. The prompt box may highlight or change appearance to indicate that it is ready for input. After that, type in your request to explain a specific concept. For instance, you can enter explain concept about connectivity. This sentence will prompt Kimi AI to generate an explanation tailored to that topic. Ensure that your input is clear and concise for the best results. Once you have entered your request, click on the Enter key on your keyboard or the corresponding button within the interface. This action submits your query to Kimi AI. You should observe a brief loading indicator or message confirming that your request is being processed. Now, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the explanation. This process may take a few moments, depending on the complexity of the request and the current load on the server. During this time, it is important to remain patient as the system compiles the information. Once the generation is complete, the resulting explanation will appear in the chat area, ready for you to review and utilize. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.